Little 8S Mojave action for you. We got change the diff oil in the center diff and put a new aluminum diff case and a new diff in the front because we smoked the other one and we smoked the center one again, so everything's upgraded. I got another aluminum one for the rear. I'm just waiting for this one to get smoked. Oh, you better. Alright. Love this thing. She's a ripper, man. Freaking wheelie animal. Speed, power wheelies. You wonder why I freaking smoke diffs all the time? Because I like slinging shit, that's why. That thing is freaking awesome, man. Hobbywing Max6, Hobbywing 5687. Whoa, wheels please. Yeah. She's a bad little animal, I can tell you that. Do a little speed pass here for you. If I can get her white. That's awesome. Whose Mojave can do that? Fast as Eddie, baby. Freaking is wheelies. She's a wheelie machine. I could launch it pretty freaking good, but I don't want to kill it, so. She's a fun little freaking toy, I can tell you that. Super fun now that I got a hold of it. Alright, I gotta yell at my dog, she's way the hell somewhere, so. There she is, man. It's freaking awesome. I love it. Alright, fast as A, peace out, baby.